What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tough Got 40. I'm back again. Check it out. Got everything all buttoned up. The iPad in. Gotta keep my same theme music. Woo! Alright, here you go. Everything back here all buttoned up. It's a Rockford amp on the mids and highs with a little bit of bass. That's a little Kenwood brain. It's my little sound demo. Sounds pretty good. Buttoned up pretty nice. Alright, a lot of people, they wondering where the old Denali's at. Got rid of it. It's the new build. It's coming out of this Denali right here. Not another Denali. Woo! Sound pretty good. Sound real good. I'm happy with it. So, got it looking really nice, sounding pretty good. Everything's running fine. Got to get down to that low end now. So that's what I'm coming at you now. Be back with some more bass videos. Got to get me some more subs. Got to get me some amps. Same thing. Same sundown. SSA. ZCON'S. Down with SSA for life. Sundown. You know I'm still with Sundown. Excess power batteries, you know they're coming too. Alright, Tough Got 40, I'm out. Yo, hold on. Show you one more thing. Got an extra pair of 6.5s. These are the 6.5s I put in all 4 doors. But I got an extra pair because eventually I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have the pods made up. I'm gonna have 2 6.5s in each door. So, I got plans. You know, I still got the tweeters that's going to go on the pillars. So, woo, it's coming. I'm working on that front stage and then get to that low ass end. So, that's where I'm coming from. All right, Tough Got 40. I'm out now. 1.